Welcome back to Review Mobile, your ultimate source for in-depth mobile reviews. Today, we're diving into OPPO's latest flagship, the OPPO Find X8 Pro. With bold design changes, next-gen performance, and industry-leading camera upgrades, this phone is grabbing a lot of attention. Let's break down what makes it stand out. Design and display, premium feel, stunning view. The OPPO Find X8 Pro continues the brand's trend of elegant craftsmanship. It features a sleek, curved design with a ceramic or eco-leather back, depending on the variant. The 6.82-inch QHD AMOLED display is breathtaking, offering 120 Hz LTPO refresh rate, 3000 nits peak brightness, and Dolby Vision support. Whether you're gaming or watching videos, the visual experience is immersive and ultra-smooth. Performance. Beast powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. Under the hood, the Find X8 Pro is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. This means blazing fast performance, seamless multitasking, and top-tier gaming without a hint of lag. ColorOS 14 based on Android 15 further enhances the smoothness and adds smart AI-powered features. Camera system. Hasselblad magic. OPPO has taken its partnership with Hasselblad to the next level. The Find X8 Pro sports a 50-megapixels main sensor with a large 1-inch Sony LYT900 sensor, a 50-megapixels ultra-wide, and a 64-megapixels periscope telephoto lens. The result: exceptional clarity, true-to-life colors, and powerful zoom capabilities, even in low light. The 32-megapixel selfie camera is equally impressive, supporting 4K video and AI enhancements. Battery and charging. Fast and efficient. Battery life won't be a problem thanks to the 5400 mAh cell. The Find X8 Pro supports 100W wired charging, 50W wireless, and 10W reverse wireless charging. It charges from 0 to 100% in under 30 minutes, keeping you unplugged and productive. Extra features. Flagship experience complete. The Find X8 Pro comes loaded with features like IP68 dust and water resistance, an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, dual stereo speakers, and improved cooling systems. OPPO has also added advanced AI tools for photography, translation, and real-time image editing. Conclusion. Is it worth it? The OPPO Find X8 Pro is not just a flagship, it's a statement. With its stellar design, unmatched display, pro-grade cameras, and all-day battery life, it easily competes with the best in the market. If you want top-tier Android performance with a touch of elegance, this phone deserves your attention. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Review Mobile for more honest and detailed mobile reviews. Thanks for watching.